Wait magtagod-tagod mag-chop-chop ta guys. So ingani-uni siya guys. Maghinay lang ta guys. Kaya apil atong kamot guys. No. This is my putahe guys. Kuan ni siya guys. Kanang halang-halang chicken caldereta and of course chicken curry and chicken halang-halang mini putahe guys. So my menu for today's guys is pacham. Pacham ba ang lasa guys? So hinay-hinay lang ta kay kasi maapil itong kamot guys delikado.
Nganong nagluto man ka?
Magluto dai ko guys kay birthday party ni Langga. To my second birthday ni Langga. Charan. Today meal